Hey Adrian, how are you doing? It's Charles again, with Warley Digital. Yeah, here's my website. I just wanted to um, just go over a few things with your site and just show you what I'm going to do with in rebuilding your site. Now you can tell, it's like you're I don't know what to say. It's very simple. I don't want to trash it. It's got to, you know, it has what you need. It has your services here, etc. Um, yeah, and I'm sure it's responsive. I'm not exactly sure what it's been built with. Just one second. Yeah, so I can tell it's WordPress site. I can also work with WordPress. In fact, that's what I was thinking of working with. But to optimize with Google, you need to have about 1,000 to 15 words of authoritative text on your front page. This is what I was talking about when we're talking in person on phone. Um, Now, authoritative, I mean exactly what you do, exactly who you are, your offerings, your services, the specials, your deals, everything. But within that text, you need to sprinkle in keywords. You know, those keywords people type when they're looking for your services. For example, I know in your service, within your niche, a keyword a lot of people type is business loan same day fund. And then these are other keywords that Google puts here after learning what people are typing for, what they're looking for. It also learns who to bring up here. Now this is where you'd like to be up here, one of these first results here, and in the map you need to be one of these first results here. These are all local results, and this is what I was talking about. If you concentrate locally, build your Google My Business profile, it should be the first ones that show up for this kind of search. And you can go in and look at your competition. Look at the site, look at their actual. You see, these guys have no reviews, but they're at the top of this search for your area. These ones only have 4, these ones only have 1, etc. So immediately I'm thinking we should run a review campaign for you, client review campaign. For you, give me a list of your clients, and I'll run the review at no cost for you. You're all the way down here. There are various things that I do to, help move you up in this list. I guess you're also here, quote to fund. Um, but as you can tell, reviews are not everything because this guy has 83 reviews and is all the way below the guy with only 5 reviews. And CapDeck has only sorry, this is a coast funding. This is a sponsored ad. He's truly on the top. He has no reviews. Lone Hero has 4 reviews. So the different things you can do to optimize your profile. For example, the pictures that you use on your Google Business profile, geotag them. Make sure they're geotagged. The keywords that they're saved with, make sure the pictures are saved with the right keywords. The alt tags are right. Reviews work. Citations also work. I offer an excellent citation service that helps you boost your website up really above people who don't know what they're doing. So I feel like you can be first in your area really quickly, locally, and then you can expand to different areas. Okay, so that's with keywords and your website. I've talked about citations, which are good. Now, I also wanted to just look at a few of your competitors here. That's CapDeck. I know you want to be as big as like NerdWallet or Forbes, whenever. So the ways you can rank above these big guys for just this search, because what's showing up here, right here. Let me get to where's that result? NerdWallet. It's just this page that's ranking. Now there are tools out there like Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a good tool. It helps me research keywords and websites, etc. It's free. No, it's not free. It's expensive, but it's available to everybody. Now I'll put in that path and I'll look at what's giving it strength. Why is Google putting it out there? So first thing is the strength of the whole domain, the website, the original domain. That counts a lot. But as you can see, for this one page, they have about 37 backlinks from 17 domains. And the UR, which is kind of like the strength, the trust that Google gives the site, or the page is 9. The DR is the domain rating, which is strong because it's NerdWallet. But you can definitely beat this page because of these stats. And just FYI, if you look at the keywords that this page is ranking for, look at the traffic it's bringing. So if we manage to get more and more keywords, let me see, all these keywords, this is the traffic that's coming to them. So from one keyword, instant loan for business, 400 people look for that, 130 go to these guys because they're in the first position. Business loan same day now. This tool is pretty awesome because you can actually boil down a keyword and see who's ranking for it, and then go to that site, look at what they're doing, and beat them. So, for example, here I can come here and say by domain, who is the top? Now, this is a national keyword, so I expect to see big companies. It's hard to find local Philadelphia or local San Diego companies ranking up top for a national keyword, and this is very popular. This is a very popular niche. But you can start to rank locally and then move it nationally. So, for example, who's looking for business loan in San Diego? Maybe that's a keyword that people use. It's my job to go and look at the Google search results. Oh, I guess this is a good keyword. People are looking for that. National funding, CDC loans, SBA. Okay. They're not getting that much traffic, so I know that this keyword, 70 people look for it a month. So these are good keywords to go for as well. So this is what I would do. I'd put this all on your site and make sure all my backlinking strategy is tied to these keywords that I'm doing research for, etc. The other thing I want to talk about, that goes into keywords and why I keep insisting we need to redo your site. Add a lot of content. The back pages, I'd probably have, let's see, I'd have to copy all these back pages and have new content for them. Well, that's quite a bit of content. You see, what I'm saying is that I don't have to change each and every word of content, but your front page, and I have to research your service pages as well. This one I'd have to change this page. So basically the cost that I'll say for the website would go into a lot of research hours being taken. There are a lot of companies in your area and who are ranking higher than you. It would also go into writing this keyword content for these different for these different services for each page. I wouldn't change your services, no, but I'd have new content. I'd obviously leave the old content there. That's very important. Leave the content there because Google already recognizes it. But start to add new content. And I would definitely add a blog page. And the thing about a blog page is that I can have an AI write an AI, AI articles. If it's something for like a blog page, it won't dent you that much. It's not your main page. If your blog pages are always changing, Google is always indexing them. So putting out content for a blog page is not that hard. You can have it automatic so that print out a whole, create a whole bunch of content of blog pages. Sit down one day, create a whole bunch of blog contents, like for 30 days, and then simply put it on a schedule to upload by itself. So throughout the month, you have blogs going out every other 2-3 days, etc. So that's basically the short video I just wanted to make for you. There's more I can get into about search engine optimization. There's deeper I can go into about Facebook ads and why I was framing the deal the way I was with a startup fee, and then just from that point just work. But we're here. We've decided to go this way, and this is all about your website. And I'm ready to start whenever you are. I hope you got in touch with my references. And let's start. Let's do something and let's get more leads, because I am very, very sorry. I just wanted to show you my website again. But I am very, very some past customers. But I'm very, very excited about this niche, and I think there's a lot of opportunity, especially if I can start generating like really good leads for you. All right, thanks, Adrian. That's my 10 minutes, and have a great day.